Hello everyone, welcome to the second episode of Meet the Author program. Today we have Mr. Karan Balkar for the interview. He already has two books published from us, Threads of Life and the most recent one, Catch a Miss. So let's catch up with him. When did you first realize you wanted to be an author?
Well, I used to enjoy writing ever since I was in high school. However, it was during my engineering days that I decided to take writing seriously, and that's when I realized I wanted to become a writer.
How did you come up with the idea of writing this book, Catch a Miss?
Okay, so the idea for Kashmis came around 6 months back when I was trying to find some of my old poems that I had recited or written during my engineering days. To my surprise, I couldn't find all of them at first, but then thanks to digital technology, I could find some recordings and documents of most of them. So I sat and I compiled all of those poems, revamped some of the old poems and then published them under Kashmis. So, if I hadn't thought of revisiting those poems, I would have certainly missed out on them, and then eventually they would have never got published. So the bottom line is that with Cash Miss, I thought of publishing these unpublished poems.
What was the inspiration behind you trading for the literary journey?
So I have been always inspired by the various happenings in my life, especially during the tough times. When it comes to writing, I would say I have been mainly inspired by the work of Sudha Murthy.
So, how long does it take to write a book?
Typically, it takes me around 2 to 3 months to write a book from scratch.
What obstacles have you faced in your life? Any such experiences you would want to share with us?
Okay, so one of the main obstacles I face is the amount of time required to, self-introspect or do some research before you actually start to pen down your thoughts. Also, since most of my time is spent at work, sometimes it becomes difficult to find that peace of mind.
How is this book beneficial to our readers?
Okay, so this book will actually help readers to bring out their untapped writing skills in a way by recompiling their past unsuccessful attempts and then sharing it with the world at large and then improving upon them with constant feedback and encouragement. It will also help readers to overcome their resistance, if any, to writing and publishing a book.
Do you plan to write more in future? Are you interested in writing any other genre?
Well, that's an interesting question. So, yes, I do plan to write a few more poetry books. Also, in future, I plan to write a comic book or a detective or murder mystery related book.
What was the most surprising things you learned in creating the books?
Okay, so one of the most surprising things for me as a writer was to understand the amount of impact that a writer has on the reader, and how one could narrate even a small story or incident through which the readers can learn something new or discover something different.
So, do you hear from your readers much? What do they say?
Well, most of my readers are based out of India, so I haven't really got the opportunity to meet them in person, but the overall feedback has been good, with of course few suggestions for improvements. In fact, I have already taken into account most of those suggestions for my upcoming work.
Any tips in creative writing for youngsters?
So my tip for youngsters or aspiring creative writers would be simple. Just think differently and be passionate about your work and keep chasing your dreams. So as Steve Jobs once said, let's go invent tomorrow instead of worrying about what happened yesterday.